aistudio.google.com. That's what I'm going to show you today. When you go to this app, this website, you will see that there is a choice to stream real time. And there are three different options that you can use to have an interactive conversation with Google Gemini. I'm going to start out by showing you just how to talk to Gemini. So Gemini.
Yes, that's my name.
All
How can I
right.
help you today?
All right. Let's talk
Okay,
today about AI. And can you tell me specifically where you think AI is going to be in the next 6 months?
sure, let's talk about AI. However, it's difficult to predict the future of AI with certainty, but I can share some general trends and expectations for the next 6 months.
Okay, proceed.
Okay, one key area where we can expect to see advancements is in natural language processing. This could lead to more sophisticated chatbots, improved language translation, and better text generation capabilities. Would you like to discuss any other specific areas?
We are using a voice chat bot right now. You are a voice chat bot. What do you expect to see with that in relationship to online stores and selling things with e-commerce?
That's a great question. I believe voice chatbots will become more integrated into e-commerce in the next 6 months. This could mean more personalized shopping experiences, voice-activated product searches, and even voice-based customer service options. Do you find that useful?
Yes, now I want to try something different. I am going to select a video source and I'm going to choose my Logitech Brio as my camera.
Okay. Okay, I see that you've selected a video source, which is your Logitech Brio camera. What would you like me to do with that video source?
Well, I assume you can see me now. The camera is looking at me. Can you describe the shirt that I'm wearing?
Yes, I can see you now. You are wearing a black t-shirt with the words Nacho Average in orange text. There's also a small image of a sombrero below the text. Is there anything else you want me to describe?
I'll back up just a little bit so you can see the bottom of my shirt and tell me what the whole shirt says now.
Okay, now that you've backed up a bit, I can see the entire shirt. In addition to Nacho Average and the sombrero image, the bottom of the shirt also says Greg in orange lettering. Is there anything else I can help you with?
That's great. If I were to point something else out, let's say that I hold up a book. Can you tell me what this book says?
Certainly. The book you're holding says AI Advantage, 7 Simple Hacks to Stay Ahead in the Digital Age, and the author is Greg Jameson.
That's awesome. So with what we're seeing right now, we're able to communicate via audio and have a chat with Google Gemini. Google Gemini is able to see my camera. One of the things that I have wanted to do is to make it so that it could actually see my screen. And when I choose screen, unfortunately, Google Gemini's AI Studio seems to be hanging right now. So I can choose that I want to show my screen, which in this case, I'm going to share the image of my Paint Shop Pro program, which we can see is being displayed down below. And if you look down here, the microphone, in fact, is still going, but if I ask Google Gemini, which I'm now going to do, to describe the contents of what it is being displayed on the screen, it stops working. So, Gemini, can you hear me? And if you can, please describe the image that you see on the screen. As you can see, it has basically stopped working. I'm going to go ahead and hit stop share. Uh, fact, we'll turn off that recording and our little preview box disappears. But this is Google Gemini's AI Studio. I think as soon as they get that fixed with the screen sharing so that it can actually respond to you in real time, that this is going to be great. You can see now it says that something went wrong. So this is still in the beta stage, but it's fun to play with. Go experiment with aistudio.google.com.